In which of the following pairs the second member is having greater bond dissociation energy than the first? If you see carbon monoxide, total electrons are 6 plus 8, 14. Cyanide ion, 6 plus 7 plus 1, again 14. Nitrogen, 14. 7 plus 7, 14. So, nitrogen, carbon monoxide, cyanide ion. These three are isoelectronic species. Carbon monoxide, cyanide ion and nitrogen are isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species will have same bond order. Means the molecular orbital order for carbon monoxide and cyanide ion will be similar to that of nitrogen. So, Kk, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2py, pi 2px, sigma star 2pz, sigma 2pz, pi star 2py, pi star 2px, sigma star 2pz. So, in nitrogen, in case of nitrogen, how many electrons I should fill? If I am ignoring 1s orbitals, 5 plus 1, 10 electrons I need to fill. So, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So, the last electrons are there in bonding molecular orbital. So, if you are removing an electron, you are removing from bonding molecular orbital, and if you are adding electron, you are adding to anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, now let us see. So, carbon monoxide bond order is 14, number of electrons are 14, so bond order is 3. CO plus means you are removing an electron from bonding molecular orbital. So, bond order decreases. If this is 3, this should be 2.5. Then, cyanide ion bond order is 3. Okay, Cn on taking one electron gives Cn minus. Means Cn minus after losing electron will give Cn. So, if after losing electron means again you are removing electron from bonding molecular orbital. So, here also 2.5. Oxygen, nitrogen let us see. Nitrogen 3, N2 plus is 2.5. Whereas in case of oxygen, the last electrons are in anti-bonding molecular orbitals, and we know bond order is 2. When you remove an electron from anti-bonding molecular orbital, bond order increases. Okay, this is the bond order for all the species given. In which of the following pairs the second member is having greater bond dissociation energy than the first? Bond dissociation energy should be more means bond order should be more. So, second species should have more bond dissociation energy than first means bond order should be more. So, option B, bond order is increasing. Option C is also bond order increasing. A ruled out and D ruled out. So, your answer should be option C and B. Option C and B. B and C. That is the answer there.